Hi everyone, in this video I will be discussing and explaining the second theorem for grade 12s, which is called the midpoint theorem. And before I explain this theorem, I should make a note that we have the midpoint theorem and we have the midpoint chord theorem. The midpoint chord theorem is the one that we deal with in grade 11 syllabus. It's our first theorem. But the midpoint theorem is the theorem which is for grade 12s, which is this one. So don't make that mistake. Now, when we are dealing with the midpoint theorem, I've written the theorem number two for grade 12s, right? What will be given to us if it happens that AD, there's AD, is equal to DB, right? And also DE is parallel to BC. Or we can have AE being equal to EC and this DE being parallel to BC. If we have those conditions, it's either we have this one being equal to this one and this line being parallel to this line, then this theorem will work. Or we can have this one being equal to this one and being told that DE is parallel to BC, then we can use this theorem, right? If in this case I'm going to use this one being equal to this one and DE being parallel to BC to explain the theorem, right? If that's the case, the theorem tells us that also AE will be equal to EC. That's number one. That's the first thing. And another thing, we are told that this line BC is 2 times this line. Or you can say this line in the middle, it's half of this line, right? So that's what the midpoint theorem tells us. If we have this one, this AD being equal to DB and DE being parallel to BC, then we can conclude that AE is equal to EC and also DE is half of BC, or we can say BC is 2 times DE. And then the reason that you're going to use there is midpoint theorem. Thank you.